Hi everyone. So today I'm going to tell you that how I find always a different background for my animation. I never download backgrounds from Google. I always generate that background using Canva for free. And how I generate that background for free, I'm going to tell you today. So if I want to create any animation, so for that I will click on videos, and if I'm going to create a video for YouTube, then I'll click on this option, that is 16:9 ratio. And then I want to create a jungle animation. Okay, so I want a background of forest. Okay, I want to create a forest animation, so I want a background of forest at the back. So if I search here in the element section and I write forest background, if I write like this, then I got minimum options, and one or two options are there, but that are not according to my choice, and other options are all the options are paid, and I'm using the free version. So I don't want to use the pro object as I'm using the free version, so I'm not be able to use that pro objects. So but I want that image of forest. In my upload section, I'll show you there are some options in my upload section, as I have uploaded the images. Here are some images of forest also that I have generated with the help of Canva. In the Canva, we have one option, that is text to image. You don't have this tab here, so first you have to click on the apps option. You will find that option here, like popular, in the popular section. But as I'm using this option over and over again, so that's why this option is not hidden, it is displaying on my screen. So just click on this option, text to image, and just write down the requirement that you want. So I have the requirement of forest background, so I'm going to write down forest background, but that background should be a cartoon background. So I'll write like this, forest cartoon background, and just click on create your image. It will take some time to generate the images, and at one time it will generate 3 to 4 images, and this way it is creating the image. Okay, there are 3 options, and fourth of images is downloading. So these are the option that is provided by the text to image option, that is in the Canva, and this option is also free. If you are not satisfied these images, then you can click on create again. Now it will create new images for you. So these are the new images that is created by Canva for you. Okay, so by this way you can create images, and you can create the animations, and the image that you want, just click on that image, it will insert it on your page, and you can make that image as set image as background. It will look like this, and now you can insert any object that is animated, and you can insert the animated object by clicking on this elements tab. And if you want to search for that animated object, just write down animated bird. Okay, animated bird, it will show you some option. It will show you some option, and just click on the see all, and then just click on the object that you want. So it will show you some option like this. You can insert that option and try to make the animation, that animation look like a real animation. Okay, so this way you can insert the animations, and you can insert the object that you require. We can move this object by using that animate tab that I'll tell you in my new video. In my next video, I'll tell you how can you move the objects that are already animated, that are not moving, but we can move them by using animate tab. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.